Hello friends, to another hotel room review here in Vietnam. Is Vietnam really the cheapest country in the world? Yeah, you can question that one, but I think it's quite affordable at least. Look at my room I paid $10 per night for this one. You get a really good toilet, like a Western toilet, you get a beer glass, you get a sink with water, toilet paper, and a nice shower with hand spray. Yeah, very fancy one. And the smell of cleanness is, I think this is quite new, this room. And you get two double beds. Yeah. So is someone joining me tonight? Just come to Sapa, you know where I am. And you get a hairdryer as well. Wow. And if you, people staying here for a long time. So, but the best thing maybe is the view of the place. Yeah, here is the place. I booked it on Airbnb actually, so first time on this trip I use Airbnb. Yeah, so now we are in Sapa Valley, like Hmong Valley, Hmong village. Yeah, so you also get a tea, yeah, like, yeah, if you have been following me around for a long time, you know that I really love my tea. Yeah. So welcome to the cheapest country in the world, or at least the most. You get a lot for your money here in Vietnam. You can go to places like Nepal, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Those countries is also very affordable and very cheap, and very good countries as well. I'm not saying that they are not good, but I think Vietnam, you really get what you pay for in Vietnam. Like $10 for this one. That is crazy. I cannot really, yeah. So, see you in the next video. Actually, this was just a short room tour video from Sapa in the north of Vietnam. In the next video, you will see me maybe arriving to this place actually. Yeah, I took like a grab bike from the city of Sapa down to the village of Hmong village. I cannot pronounce it. Yeah, but it's very quiet. And I will spend at least one night here, maybe just drinking tea and prepare myself for my big adventure. Yeah, the biggest adventure on the channel so far. Maybe not like tracking wise, but getting out of my comfort zone wise. Yeah, I'm going to next country I will go to. I think I will really go out of my comfort zone, because they don't use the normal social media. Google, for example, is banned in that country. So, and I'm like, yeah, I make a living on almost like Google Translate, Google Maps, yeah, YouTube, yeah, everything will be upside down for me in that country. But yeah, this is part of the fun. So see you in the next video, and thank you for tagging along. Yeah, so the last question is, will you stay here? You can stay like 4 people here. Yeah, but see you in the next one. Ciao.